Hi viewers, you're welcome to Oasis Online Maths, the platform where we remind ourselves and learn everyday mathematics. Today, we shall be solving this Olympiad question. It says, if 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 18, we should find the value of this expression, 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 over x minus 2. Don't forget, as we have said in our previous video, that if you are given any problem on Olympiad mathematics question, what you are expected to do, or one of those steps in which you need to take, is that you compare the equation given to you with that of the expression given. It can be of 2 equations, but do make sure you compare one, that is, you manipulate one in order to obtain the other. Here, let's manipulate the equation given here. Our 12 raised to the power of x can be written as 3 times 4. Product of 3 and 4, which is 12, is equal to, then 18 can also be expressed as 2 multiplied by 9 as well. Yes, so we can do that. Remember the law that says a times m, everything raised to the power of x, can simply be expressed as a raised to the power of x multiplied by m raised to the power of x. We shall distribute this power to both m and a. So the same thing will be applied here in 3 times 4 raised to the power of x. That is 3, we shall distribute the power x as well. 3, that is 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Why do I have to express this as 3 raised to the power of 2? Because I can see the base here. I can see the base here. So I'm making sure that the bases of left hand side and the right hand side, I'm making them to be equal. So I can say 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2, that is 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 2. Don't forget this power x is still there. Will now be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. Don't forget where we are going. We are going to this. This is where we are going to. So we must make sure that in this manipulation that we are doing here, we must make sure that eventually we arrive at somewhere 2 raised to the power of something. So we can see we have 2 raised to the power of 2x here, and 2 raised to the power of 1 is here. So let's separate the bases. That is, let's make sure that the bases are in their separate way. That is, we have base 3 and base 2. So if we do that, we can easily say we divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x. That is, we divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x, then 3 raised to the power of x here as well. So this can cancel this out. So we shall have 2 raised to the power of 2x now be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. And don't forget, when this divides this, it means the power will come up and it will be subtracted from the power of the numerator, that is 2 minus x. So likewise, we can also divide both sides by 2 here, so that we can separate the bases from each other. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2x. Don't forget, this one is raised to the power of 1, then minus 1. Why this? We cancel this out. Then we have 3 raised to the power of 2 minus x. Don't forget where we are going. This is where we are going. 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 all over x minus 2. If you take a look at our left hand side here, you will discover that here, the index here, the index of 2 that we have here, if you take a look at it, compare with that of the index of what we have here as our problem, you will see that a slight difference there is that here is not having divisible by anything. It's not having divisible by x minus 2. So definitely we can manipulate that. Then how do we do that? We can now say divide the indices of both left hand side and the right hand side. You divide it by x minus 2. This x minus 2 that we had in our question here. So let's write the equation back and let's see what I'm talking about. So if you divide both sides by the x minus, the indices by x minus 2, so we have divide by x minus 2, also divide by x minus 2. We can see that is what we have. We can see we have obtained our expression here, but the value of our expression has not been determined yet. So let's simplify our right hand side, that is 3. You can see they are not the same, okay, but we can manipulate them to be the same. That is, we can factor out minus here, then we write x minus 2, everything divided by x minus 2. So from here we can see that both the index here, the numerator and denominator here, can easily cancel out. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 all over x minus 3 will now be equal to x minus 2. That is x minus 2, not 3. X minus 2. That's a mistake there. X minus 2. Yes. Then will now be equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 1. Therefore, to write it in a very simple way, so we have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 all over x minus 2 is now equals to 1 over 3. This is our final answer. If you enjoy this, please do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on our Facebook channel so that we are going to enjoy more of our wonderful video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.